Listen up, entrepreneurs. The world is changing faster than ever before. Brick and mortar is cool, but online is where it's at. It's the future of business. You want to crush it in the 21st century? You need an online store. It's your ticket to success. No more excuses. It's easier than you think, and the potential? Huge. The opportunities are endless. Forget the old ways, forget the gatekeepers. The power is in your hands now. With an online store, you control your destiny. You make the rules, you reach customers globally, 24/7. Your market is the entire world. No geographical limits, no closing time, your store is always open. It's the ultimate freedom, the ultimate hustle. Work from anywhere, anytime. But here's the thing, it's not just about building a store, it's about building a brand. A brand that people love, an experience, a community, a place where people feel connected. You need to connect with your audience, give them value, give them you, be authentic. So, are you ready to dive in? Ready to take the leap? Are you ready to build something amazing? Let's go. The time is now. First things first, what are you selling? Identify your product. This is the foundation of your business. Passion is key, my friends. Choose a product you believe in, something you're excited about. Your enthusiasm will drive your success. Next up, pick a name, your brand. Make it catchy, memorable, something that reflects your unique vibe. This name will be your identity. Once you've got your name, lock down that domain name, your online address. Make it snappy, easy to remember. This is where customers will find you. Now for the fun part, building your store. Choose a platform, more on that later, and start adding products. This is your digital storefront. High-quality photos are crucial. Show off your products in the best possible light. Visual appeal can make or break a sale. Write compelling descriptions that highlight benefits, not just features. Tell a story that resonates with your audience. Don't forget about shipping and payment options. Make it smooth and seamless for your customers. Boom, you're in business, ready to conquer the market. Choosing the right platform is crucial. It's the foundation of your online empire. Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce. There are tons of options out there. Don't get overwhelmed. Do your research. Think about your budget, your tech skills, and your future plans. Need something user-friendly? Shopify's got your back. Want more customization options? WooCommerce is your jam. BigCommerce, scalability and growth. Pick the platform that aligns with your vision. Section 4, Marketing Mastery. Get those customers. You've built an amazing store. Now, let's get those customers through the door. It's time to turn your hard work into sales and loyal customers. First up, social media. It's your best friend. Create engaging content. Show off your products in action. Run contests, offer discounts, go live, engage. Use stories, reels, and posts to keep your audience hooked. Collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. Don't forget about email marketing. Build your list and nurture those relationships. Personalized emails, exclusive offers, behind-the-scenes content, keep them coming back for more. Segment your audience to send targeted messages that resonate. Paid advertising is another powerful tool. Target your ideal customer on Facebook, Instagram, Google. Track your results and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Experiment with different ad formats and creatives to see what works best. Marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be consistent, and watch your business grow. Celebrate small wins and learn from your campaigns to improve continuously. Section 5, Customer Love. Building loyalty and trust. Customer service is everything. Respond to inquiries promptly. Be helpful, be friendly, be human. Go above and beyond to exceed expectations. Surprise and delight your customers. Offer free shipping, throw in a handwritten note, show them you care. Word of mouth is powerful. Happy customers become your biggest advocates. Build a community around your brand. Encourage feedback, listen to your customers, and constantly strive to improve. Section 6. Avoid these mistakes, don't fall into the traps. Now let's talk about mistakes. We all make them, but let's minimize the damage, right? Don't underestimate the power of high-quality product photos. Blurry images, bad lighting, no way. Ignoring your customers, huge mistake. Respond to inquiries, address concerns, show them you care. Neglecting your website's SEO, another no-no. Optimize your site for search engines. Make it easy for customers to find you. And lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. Try new marketing strategies, test different platforms, find what works best for you. The online world is constantly evolving. Embrace change, stay ahead of the curve, and crush it.